Guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought new updates regarding faculty recruitment in Triple IT Kottayam. They have given notification for faculty position for three grades. First one associate professor, second assistant professor grade 1, and third one assistant professor grade 2 on contract. For associate professor, the vacancy is in CSE or IT. A scale of pay, cell 1 of academic pay level 1382. Initial pay 1,39,600. Second grade assistant professor grade 1, vacancy is in CSC, IT and DCE. A scale of pay, cell 1 of academic pay level 12. Initial pay 1,01,500. And third one assistant professor grade 2, vacancy is in CSC, IT, ECE. Scale of pay, cell 8 of academic pay level 10. Initial pay 70,900. Area of specialization, you can apply all area of specialization in CSE, IT, ECE, willing to work on interdisciplinary project. Number of position will be as per need at the time of completion of selection process. Means how much vacancy is there, according to that they will select person. Essential qualification for associate professor, assistant professor and assistant professor grade 2 contract for all essential qualification is PhD. Regarding relevant experience for associate professor, total 6 years after PhD or 9 years total, not counting PhD enrollment period, out of which 3 years should be after PhD. 3 years at the level of assistant professor with academic pay level 12 or equivalent in reputed industry or R&D lab or relevant industry. Other essential requirement for papers in SCI journals after PhD, one PhD guide as sole or principal supervisor plus one continuing. 2 projects ongoing or one ongoing plus one completed. 2 experiments or computational projects added to teaching laboratories where appropriate academic outreach activity equivalent to 2 self-financed short-term course. Additional desirable requirement, 1 or more patents supervising 2 or more students for PhD, a strong license with industry offering courses through application of ICT. For assistant professor grade 1, essential qualification PhD, relevant 3 years after PhD, 3 years after PhD or 6 year total, not counting PhD enrollment period after obtaining MTech degree. Other essential requirement, 2 papers in SCI journal outside PhD work, 1 ongoing sponsored project for candidates from academia, 2 experiments or computational projects added to teaching laboratory where appropriate. And next additional desirable, 1 PhD supervision ongoing, 1 patent, experience in the industry or R&D lab of repute, MTech, MSc or BTech project supervision on live industrial problems. For grade 2 on contract, there is no additional relevant experience and other essential requirement or no additional requirement for this post. Application had to be submitted only through web portal of institute as per instruction given in the website. Age for assistant professor grade 2, 35 years, 45 years for assistant professor grade 1 and 50 years for associate professor. Age relaxation is applicable as per prescribed by government of India from time to time. All application will be acknowledged by email. Applicant is expected to have a valid and live email ID. If an acknowledgement is not received within 1 week, an email may be sent to the support23@triplitkottayam.ac.in. Further communication will be sent through email only. To shortlisted candidate, no other mode of communication will be adopted. So application has to be submitted only through the web portal of institute as per the instruction given in the website. Incomplete application and application not supported by relevant document as claimed in the application will be summarily rejected. If a candidate is applying for more than one post, then they have to apply separately for each post. No hard copy or of application or supported document need to send to the institute. Date for determining the eligibility of all candidates in every respect shall be prescribed. Closing date for submission on online recruitment application. Prescribed application qualification and experience are the minimum, and mere position of same doesn't entitle candidate to be called for interview. Maybe they will set another criteria. A duly constituted committee will be shortlisted the candidate for selection process comprising of written seminar and or interview. Shortlisted candidate will be required to give a seminar or presentation prior to interview. No interim inquiry or correspondence communication of any sort will be entertained in the matter. Candidate who are further shortlisted have to face interview will be paid the traveling expenses from home station, place of duty, or port of disembarkation within India. Regarding rail fare, they will restrict only for AC 3-tier class in Indian Railway on production of valid tickets. Faculty appointed on regular faculty cadre will be on probation for 1 year. After confirmation in service after the period of probation will be subjected to assessment of performance as per prescribed criteria and verification of antecedent. So that's all about today's update. Regarding last date, it will be 30th of March 2023 will be processed for first phase of selection process, and those applications received from 31st March 2023 up to 30 July 2023 will be processed for second and last phase of selection process. So that's all about today's update. Subscribe the channel if you are visiting my channel first time. Thank you. Have a nice day.